Of late, I met a few people whom I knew belonging to the Christian faith, and they told me that we've stopped listening to music. And I was shocked. And wallahi, this is something that needs to be made mention of. Why? Isn't it allowed? No. They said what is going on today is not music, it is Satanism and devil worship. Do you know that? All these pop stars of today, this group of people was telling me that they are in fact calling towards the devil and Satan and worshipping your desires and fancies, whims and whatever you want. So that is why today sin is very easily accessible wherever you are on the globe. The winner is the one who can stay away from it. And they are not calling you towards something that can be made acceptable. They're calling you towards changing your gender. Aren't you fed up of being a female? Well, you know what? They are convincing you that you don't have to be that. We can change it for you. That is what is happening. And I know people who have been through that process, and now they want to come back and say, we regret and we want to engage in tawbah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala never let us see a day like that. And they are calling people towards immorality and evil to the degree that those hooked onto these type of sites or pornographic material would then lose their self-respect, and they would call for something known as group adultery. Astaghfirullah. And this is happening in societies, I'm sure, even within this particular country. And then we say, no, the media, it's not a powerful tool. It controls us totally. It chooses how we think because we choose how we interact with it.
If you like our content, then make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for latest updates.